door is rotten. Water must be penetrating this. Got a call today from a customer. I fitted a panic attachment for them about a year ago because I wanted access from the outside to get into the property. They called me up today to say it's not working properly. They can't unlock it. I'm here now to fix that problem. Whether it's I did something wrong or they did something wrong, we're not sure yet until we get this out the door. So come with me and we'll get this done now. The outside device isn't working. I've got a key here. Basically, when you turn it, panic bars aren't working at all. So it's not engaging. So what I think is the bar has come out of a bit on the other side. So I'm just going to remove this and have a quick look. I think what I thought was happened has happened. The bar has come out, but the bar is probably 2 mil too short. I'm just going to cut down a new bar. Very small blade. It is a bit ferocious. Right, let's see how that fits. That seems better. It's taken a longer time for it to get like this. I will be telling them about the door being rotting, because if you look at these screws, they're actually rusted inside the door. So it says to me there's water penetration. Behind all this lovely paintwork, probably rotten. Now it's working fine. That's locked. Fire that. It was definitely the bar was too short. So I've rectified that problem. I won't be charging for this job because I actually fitted this. So it's my fault. The bar was cut too short. Just taking a year for the problem to come up. Well, over a year for the problem to come up. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next one.